Hey, well, it's me, Gareth, and today we're on the Carnival Luminosa. It's a ship Carnival took back from Costa and rebranded it Carnival. It's a pretty old ship, and we just got on, so I don't know that much about it other than we're in Australia and the airplane ride down took away my voice for some reason. So I'm going to try to talk so you can hear me. We're in cabin 6281. And it's a nice big cabin, I gotta give it that. Just give you a good look at it. Got a couch with drawers, so don't forget the drawers. This does not have a pop-down bed, a bunk bed. It has a big mirror. Notice I'm using a light. But let's start at the beginning. Our hangers, we already got our luggage. Got some life preservers. Got another closet. It's longer. We will probably put these under the bed once we empty them. We haven't emptied them yet. More coat hangers. And if you're counting with me, that is not enough coat hangers. I need twice that many at least. And some shelves. Some of them taken up by bedding, but a mirror. Look at my hair. It has a thermostat, no numbers. It's turned almost all the way cold, and it's comfortable in here. It has drawers, blow dryer, telephone, other drawers. It has a drawer here. Laundry bed. So taking a closer look here, we have light switches. Don't need those on. A sign that says 220 don't use on an iron, and a sign that says 115 don't use on an iron. So United States, Australia, right? Or should I say North America? And it looks like an old speaker, right? Bakelite. So, a stool and a trash can. Trash can. Refrigerator, which is coming out. Refrigerator is cool, not cold. There is a thermostat in there though. Usually those are very hard to find. And more shelves. And more shelves. So, got a lot of shelves. Has a TV, and up to the, well, it's flickering, but I'm going to let it run through it one time. It's not very big, but it does rock back and forth. So all these channels are Carnival channels. Then complimentary movies, BBC, Australian news, Australian comedy and drama. Those may change over the course of the cruise though. We're sailing from Brisbane to Seattle. And then these, and then that's it. Everything else is Carnival stuff, okay? Nice big bed. 2 pillows. On this side, the nightstand is hard to open, but it has a shelf. It's like on the floor. I don't know if you could tell that or not. Light switch. No outlets or USB ports here. Remember that. On this side, same hard to open cabinet, same light switch, 4 USB ports. 4. But nothing on that side. I showed you the couch. It's got this lamp over here. I'm willing to bet we never turn that on, except right now. Towels, they give you towels in your room. Let's go in the bathroom. Got a standard size shower. Actually, we were just on the Princess Sapphire and the Diamond Princess, and I think the shower on those was a little bit smaller than this. A little bit. But this has the handle. Remember, you can adjust it up and down. It looks like it's broken though. And you can tilt it and you can take it off, right? It also has one of these clotheslines. Very handy. One of these knobs is water pressure and one's temperature. You see the numbers there? I noticed shampoo and shower gel are mixed into one goop. So I'm no expert, but really, shampoo and shower? However, they did give us bars of soap, so I'll use bar soap. It has one of these mirrors. Okay, that's enough fun. I don't know what this is for. Lots of shelves, lots of shelves. Of course, one of these. Lots of supplies, trash, and a thing that doesn't open. Let's go outside. It's got a balcony, and it's a big balcony. This handle, though, doesn't work. It's stuck, needs oil or something. So we're gonna have to pull that up each time. It's got a Janet. It's got these two chairs, which looks like they've been recycled or something.
There's paint all over the sides of them and everything.
But they don't. See, I'm just getting white stuff on my hands from them. Maybe you can't see that. They don't recline. And it's got this funky table. See, there's like weird stuff on it.
Yeah.
But it is big. Bigger than on Princess by a lot. This probably should have been refinished. But this is the Port of Brisbane. The city of Brisbane is those tall buildings way in the distance there. You probably can't see them. This is the Brisbane River. So, that's about it. So from the Carnival Luminosa, I'm Gareth.
And I'm Janet, saying see you in the next port. Bye.
So we've been in the cabin for a couple of days, and I've noticed a few things. Number one, the table looks like it's splattered with paint. On the balcony, it looks like it's splattered with paint too. So remember, these doors didn't open very well, but now they open pretty good, although they're crooked. I got a napkin. See the blue napkin under there? Folded it up and put it underneath the edge, front edge, and now it doesn't slide on the floor. But this handle was stuck. We told them, and they came and fixed it. So that's all good.